Hi guys, today we're going to learn how we can convert Kindle Books to PDF. After converting the files, you can use that PDF on your mobile devices or any other devices and access the books. You can save it and use it whenever you want to. You would not require the Kindle app to actually use it. So to convert the files, you need 3 softwares to do that. So in order to download the software, please go to the website heyletslearnsomething.com. Well, actually all of them are free softwares, but I have organized it in a very good manner or easy way so that you can easily access the softwares without much googling. So we need Calibration, we need DRM plugin, and we need Kindle for PC 1.17 version. Please note that we will be using 1.17 version of Kindle. The reason we are using 1.17 is I have tried with the latest version and I had some errors while making the conversion. So that's why I used 1.17 version and it worked very well. So let's download Calibration. So simply click on download. So choose your system. For me, it's Windows 64. Click on it and simply download. I'll just cancel it because I recently downloaded this one, as you can see. So after downloading Calibration, close this. You can download DRM plugin. I've put it in my Google Drive. So go to Google Drive, or here's another direct link as well, whichever is easy for you. And you can simply click and download. I already have downloaded this, so I'm canceling this as well. So this is the software. And lastly, we'll require Kindle for PC 1.17 version. So click on it and then you can simply download. You can simply click over here and download. I've already downloaded all the softwares required. So these are 3 softwares you require to convert your Kindle Books to PDF. If you notice, I have the latest Kindle installed on my PC. I had some problem working with Calibration and this latest Kindle, so I'll uninstall this Kindle. For that, I just need to go to Control Panel, uninstall a program and search for Kindle. Okay, I'm just finished. I don't want that. Okay. I'll just close this out. Okay, I've removed Kindle. Now let's go to my download folder. So these are the software I require. So let's first install Kindle. Okay, it's installing. It might take some time, so please be a little patient. So do you accept the Kindle terms? Yes. Also, if you click on tools and go to options, I guess I don't want to automatically install updates, because if I close this, then it will auto update to the latest version. Anyway, let's just sign in. Use your username and password. And sign in. So authentication required. Okay. Okay, now I've signed in and it will download whatever books I have purchased. I don't have much, it's only one actually. So this is the book I have. So it's downloading. You simply have to double click on it. As it's downloading, let's install other 2 softwares. Let's install Calibration. So simply click on Calibration. I accept the terms, install. These are all free software, so we don't have to worry much about it. Okay, launch Calibration. So this is Calibration. So let's just minimize it and open Kindle. Okay, my book has been now downloaded. I just want to go to the library. Yes, it's downloaded. Okay, the book has been downloaded. So this is the book we're going to convert into PDF. Yeah, it's the 100% is I've actually went through all the books. So anyway, so after this is done, you can simply close this. Now this is Calibration. We need to install the plugin for our Calibration. So for that, let's minimize this and open this plugin. We can close this as well and close this as well. So this is the Calibration plugin. So simply extract this plugin to the desktop or wherever it's easy. So this is the plugin we want. So go to Calibration. So go to Preferences and then click on Plugins and then load plugin from file, and we keep that file in the desktop. So yep, and open. Are you sure? Yes. Installed. Okay, it's done. Let's apply, close, and let's just close this once. Okay, so we can keep this as a safety or simply delete it. Now we can open Calibration. Now we need to import the books. Well, we have downloaded the books, so we need to find where the book is. So let's go to my PC and go to Documents, and you should see My Kindle Content. So simply click over there. This is the Kindle file we need. This will be converted. So this is about 40 MB. So simply we can drag in over here, and it's reading. We can close this as well. So this is the book, and this is the book, this is the cover, and we want to convert it. So we can simply highlight it. If you have several books, you can click them and you can, bulk convert. So we'll convert individually. So look for the format you want. So there are lots of format. I had some difficulties with one of the other books, so I converted it to docx and then save it to PDF. So for this, let's convert to PDF and click on OK. So the jobs is being done here, so you can simply click over here and it's being converted. Okay, minimize this. Oops. Okay. So all you have to do is wait. Okay, the conversion has been completed. So here's the direction, path, click to open. So simply click here to open. So here's the PDF file you want. So this is the PDF file you want. So you can simply open it and you can check all the PDF files if that's all good or not. Yes, since all good. Okay, you can close this, you can close this, and this is how you can convert your Kindle books to PDF files. So if you want to find where the books are stored, the PDF books are stored by Calibration, you can simply go to C drive, uses, and your username, and then you can see the document Calibration for the library, and this is the file we converted. And yes, so this is the file. So this is how you can convert Kindle books to PDF files. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much.